The human body is truly amazing. Honestly, we don't give it enough credit for its excellence. Our body is constantly communicating its needs and warning signs through subtle cues. It can be anything from fleeting sensations to persistent symptoms. These signals serve as valuable alerts. They urge us to pay attention and take action when and where necessary. Now, the question is, what do these signs mean and how to interpret them? Well, I'm here to help you with just that. In this video, we're going to look at common ways in which the body may be providing important health alerts and how to make use of these cues. Watch and learn. Persistent fatigue. While occasional tiredness is a normal part of life, persistent fatigue that interferes with daily functioning could be a sign of underlying health issues. It can be anything from sleep disorders to hormonal imbalances or even chronic illnesses like anemia or thyroid disorders. Unexplained fatigue needs an immediate checkup to identify and address the root cause. It's essential to consider lifestyle factors such as sleep quality, diet, and stress levels, alongside medical conditions that may contribute to ongoing fatigue. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional can help pinpoint the underlying cause and restore your energy. Digestive discomfort. The digestive system often communicates its distress through symptoms such as bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. While occasional discomfort may be the cause of dietary indiscretions or temporary issues, persistent digestive problems could signal underlying conditions. They can be anything from food intolerances, irritable bowel syndrome, or gastrointestinal disorders that require medical attention. It's essential to track symptoms, identify potential triggers, and explore lifestyle modifications or dietary changes to alleviate the discomfort. Consulting with a gastroenterologist or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance and support in managing digestive issues. Unexplained weight changes. Sudden or unexplained changes in weight, whether gain or loss, can signal various health concerns. While lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise play a role, significant fluctuations in weight may also indicate metabolic disorders. It can be hormonal imbalances or underlying medical conditions such as thyroid dysfunction or diabetes. Monitoring weight changes and identifying associated symptoms can provide insights into potential health issues. A healthcare provider can help determine the underlying cause of weight changes and suggest remedies accordingly. Persistent body ache. Pain is the body's way of signaling that something is amiss, and persistent or recurrent pain should not be ignored. Whether it's a headache, joint pain, back pain, or abdominal discomfort, these symptoms may indicate a range of health issues. It can be musculoskeletal injuries, inflammatory conditions, or even more serious underlying diseases. Understanding the nature of pain, including its location, intensity, and associated symptoms, can provide important clues to its root cause. Seeking evaluation from a healthcare professional can help diagnose the source of pain and develop an appropriate treatment plan to address it effectively. Breathing difficulties. Difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath can be alarming symptoms that require immediate medical attention. Whether it's asthma, allergies, respiratory infections, or more serious conditions like pulmonary embolism or heart problems, prompt evaluation and treatment are essential to ensure optimal respiratory health. Understanding the nature of breathing difficulties, including associated symptoms or triggers, can provide important clues to their underlying causes. Seeking evaluation from a pulmonologist or cardiologist can help diagnose the source of breathing difficulties and develop an appropriate treatment plan to address them effectively. Skin abnormalities. Did you know the skin serves as a window into overall health? It's all thanks to skin changes providing important health alerts. From unusual moles, changes in skin pigmentation, rashes, bumps, or persistent lesions, these skin abnormalities may indicate dermatological conditions, allergic reactions, or even underlying systemic illnesses. It's crucial to monitor changes in skin appearance, texture, or sensation and seek evaluation from a dermatologist or healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Early detection and intervention can help prevent complications and promote skin health and well-being. Unexplained changes in energy or appetite. Significant changes in energy levels or appetite, whether increased or decreased, may signal underlying health issues that warrant investigation. Whether it's sudden changes in appetite or energy levels, these symptoms may indicate metabolic disorders, hormonal imbalances, or nutritional deficiencies. These require evaluation and management by a healthcare professional. Monitoring energy levels and appetite patterns, along with identifying associated symptoms or contributing factors, can provide valuable insights into potential health issues. The body signals are a vital communication tool. They offer insights into our health and well-being. By paying attention to these important health alerts and seeking timely medical attention when necessary, we can help ourselves take proactive steps toward optimal health and longevity. Remember, your body is always speaking to you, so listen closely and respond with care.